the fuck? Look at these. Whoa. What? That is a big motherfucking moth. Like a moth to a flame. What the fuck are you? A bird? A bird moth? Moth-bird? Whoa, you get the fuck back. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my fucking god. Nuh-uh. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's bright. Those motherfuckers don't fuck around, dude. These are big. Why are they only over here, though? Why are they just here? Shut up, cricket. Oh, rickety cricket. Motherfucking. Oh, shit. It's like a bird and a moth. And what's the cricket? Jiminy Cricket. It's conscious in the background. On this classic Ford. At like 3 a.m. 2 a.m. Whoa, dude, check this shit. Look at he's going in circles. He's all rum-buddy-boo, rum-buddy-boo, rum-bum-bidum. What do my neighbors hear me? What is he? You're a fuzzy. Oh my god, you're a. Where'd you get that big fur? Look at him going in circles. Like, is he? Are you broken? Like, rogue? Like, what the fuck, dude? I think that, like, what is this, like, some kind of a mating ritual or some shit? It's like, they all go in circles because they're all, like, female or some shit. Oh my god, like, I can't even, what the fuck? This is like when, this is when the animals show us that, like, there's something going on. Like, something's coming. Something's coming. And then they stop? What the fuck? Are they dying? Are they dying? Oh my god, they're dying. Look, cause like, look, there's this one. And then like that one. That one. That one. What the fuck? Is there one over there too? There is! Holy bejesus. You wanna come over here, little fella? Was that the mother? Hey! You don't fucking come at me all sideways, motherfucker. It's not my fault. Oh my god! What the fuck? Attack of the moths! I think it's the moon. The moon is full. Well, the moon's half full. This is how bored I get in the middle of the night trying to walk around to get my blood a-flowing. Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure. Whoa. Like, I really need to, like, Google some shit about this. It's like, I've never seen, as far as I know, or learned. What the fuck, dude? Dude, are they killing themselves? Because they're just straight up fucking, like, bashing against the fucking... What the fuck? Why are they all doing the exact same thing? Then they're slowly dying, then they stop. What the fuck? They're dying. Or sleeping? No, they're dying. They're giving up. Like, and it's because of this big bright light, yeah? I'm kind of glad that, look what that one's doing. Are you trying to eat him? Like, are you eating your own kind, or you just woke him up? I mean, look at this, people. This is fucking absolute insanity. Look. Okay, we'll zoom out. Look at all these. I can't, what the fuck, dude? I don't know whether to be, like, in awe or in, like, repulsed or disgust. Swat at the flies, roll in disgust. Drain us of life and cleanse the mass. Cannot receive the obvious. Line up cattle, they cut the neck. Well, in this case, line up the moths, then cut the neck. And then we go from Mudvayne to Hell Yeah, same singer, of course. You know, Chad, my name's Chad, and then you go, like a moth to the flame. Bump, 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 which I've seen both bands, by the way. Right. If I'm not mistaken, I almost pulled that motherfucker into the crowd with us. He's like, oh, he was like, you're a motherfucking piece of shit and you'll never amount to nothing. You're a motherfucking piece of shit and you'll never amount to nothing. Well, maybe I should, like, turn on my bright light and see if that makes a difference here.